would have fixed it pretty easy. I'm finding that. Oh, you hold shift and you get a really incredible one. Okay. That's interesting. Because I was showing someone and that's what was happening. Guys, okay, this could be a separate episode. We'll just do a fix-up one and then we'll do one. Okay, so start button. Very simple. Where's start? Where's start? Where the freak is start? Oh, it's here. I was like, where the freak is start? I mean, start game. I'm kind of hyped. Let this work. Apparently we don't have enough disk space. No, you have enough disk space. You're just being grumpy. Oh damn, it opened up one. Oh, it's pretty easy to reopen them up. The thing about this is you can have multiple instances. That's really nice. It's definitely having problems with permissions. Could just be a permission problem. Pretty simple. It seems to be working now. We'll run this. Let's choose 3 names. How do we choose cow? We'll choose shadow. Go. And then Fang. Fang can host. Shadow can join. Ooh. Okay, that's weird. Sorry about that. What's its problem now? It's not letting people connect to it. Okay, well, I'll fix your freaking problem, computer. Okay, you run. Let's move you over here. You Moba, dang it. Then we host. Fine. We say bug. What? What? Is it this? Oh, it's just return functions. That should fix it. Okay. I hope this fixes it. Can't say that much. We'll just run it from here. What? Close it. Close it. This is so freaking bizarre. It must be main network. Oh, why is it true? Oh, it's because of the net connection. That's weird. There we go. Finally fixed it. We had it to true as default. There we go. Double shadow. Ready? Choose your champion. Choose your champion. Ah, well. Index, generic list, character base, check index, change character. That's the line. Oh, it's having point of index. If the count, which is technically 0, if characters dot count is it's a little annoying that you have to make these smaller errors sometimes. Unity is a little, I don't want to say stupid because it's not their fault. Really, it's actually just the fact of well, it's technically, if you look at it that way, it's actually Microsoft.net. It's not .net, but you know, the .net fault. But Unity does play a part. See, it doesn't always do it. We actually exit that and wait again. It's because I don't feel bothered trying to find out my. There we go. Champion this. Pearson both. Champion this. Skin this. Start. Okay, lay players in, it's gonna change. GBA. So close. So close. Like, so close. I'm not joking, like, we were really close to getting it done. Darn close. Okay, Fang, in. Shadow, in. Join, host. Wow, join actually worked. That's really cool. So you can click join at any time. Nothing happens. Okay. Oh, because you can't. Oh. Darn it. You can't send scripts over, can you? Ooh, damn it. Damn it. What can we send over? Where's the ISPC? Multiplayer networking. Oh, it's a new system they've got apparently. I don't want to use the new system, I'll be fine with this one. Oh, I see, they've kind of updated a bit. What's that? What it seems like? That's very new actually, because that wasn't there before. That's very new. Okay, we're not going to touch that because that's very cool that they've got a new multiplayer networking system. But we're not going to touch that because we're using the old one. Because it just comes down to the fact that they added a bit late for me. And I just don't know the old new system. I barely knew the old system, but still. Okay, what can we call it in RPCs? Network players, view IDs, Victor 3s, and quaternions, as well as the info and string. Oh, we could just send strings of all the character names. Dot to string. Or do that. And don't send this. This is quite smart, actually. I like this. Where is it? Let's start. Here we go. Oh damn it. mview.rpc. I think it's load players in or buffered. Characters. Since everyone's gonna get a copy of their own characters. Yay! Genius. I love this. This is very, very good. Beautiful. Beautiful coding. I'm loving the new networking system. It seems a lot better in a way. It also seems like they've kind of removed the simplicity of the old one, and they've kind of it's definitely a Call of Duty system where it's kind of got the lobby, and you definitely can see it's much more of a lobby system, but that could work quite well for a lot of games. You are losing the dedicated to get a lobby based system, but that's still fine. Host, for join. I'm gonna set this champion with this skin. For some reason it's not gonna allow me, but you can select that skin. I'm not gonna go into it, that's fine. It's more. Who cares? I'm not. We're done. It's spawned. Oh, beautiful. I'm not gonna fix. This went way for too long. Should we fix errors? I really am going. Well, what was the error? It was like we try and change a character, and the characters that count is greater than 0. Oh, it's because we're changing. Yeah, that's fine. only on the host though. Must be saying it. Well, it came out with an error. I can't remember what the error was. We'll run through this again. Host, join. Oh. Why is this do not show download? No. That shouldn't be that. There we go, that's a big error. We've just fixed. Okay, let's start. Beautiful. Love my tea. It's probably to do with that multiple thing. I don't care, I'm just gonna do that. Host here, join here, select the champion, select the skin. Argument is out of range. Where's the argument? It's under change character. 189. Well, it's not running through. So you're fine, but not you. Is it to do with 0, 1? So 0 is this, and 1 is this second player. So is it to do with that? So what's doing is it's going through here and it's going, hey, the count is greater than 0. So we actually have characters, right? We have 2 characters. That's fine. And if the count dot -1 is this, so it's an old skin. So this is a skin change. Okay, it's going to do debug.log skin. So we're concluding it's a skin change. So what we want to do is we are just getting that spot. And we're saying on every player that that spot is equal to a temperature character. It's going, oh, well, there's not enough spot for that. But there should be. Because otherwise we're adding it. Dot add. We essentially just want to add out where we go. Add that temp. And it's going, oh, there's not enough spaces for it. Fang, fine. Why is that? The argument is out of range. There's not enough playable characters. Oh, because not everyone's gained their own list of characters. That's weird. Everyone should be gaining their own list of characters. There's no way that they shouldn't be. There's no sense that each person isn't gaining their own list of characters. So going through this, we have a count greater than 1, skin change, spot change, temp character. Yes, that's our problem line. What's the problem here? The problem is it comes down to the fact of that most likely each person doesn't have their own list of characters. So why? This is called on everyone. So there's no reason. That's the point, is that like there's no reason for it to be happening. This is why I hate sometimes these errors. Is when there's no physical reason for this to be happening. Damn it, they can't run in the same project. Well, the best thing I can do here to build that plus carrot. Wait, what? Best thing I can do. Build and run. Skin change 1-1. There we go, that's our problem. That's an awfully weird problem. Oh, because you're not getting the host. Yep, that's it. There we go. So when you join, all players should get this. Void on join server sends. So this is going to require a character base. It literally is just going to be the server character or host character. So as soon as you join, it just sends a message saying nview.rpc of on join server sends to player, and it's going to give literally out my character. And all it's going to do is going to take that my character and it's going to go characters.add. Ooh, no, but that's not a problem because the server. Yeah, that's not good. That's not a problem. What is if the server picks its player before you pick your player? That's a problem. But that's not our problem here. And there's no point us fixing saying there's no problem with. Because the server hasn't picked its player yet. So, when is this played? When you click this, you play this. On all buffered, including yourself. So when the server clicks something, they played it on all buffered. And then if on all buffered, it checks if you have enough counts. So if you have one character, right, so you've selected your first character, and then the server selects theirs, it goes, oh, your character class is over 1, right? But 0. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm really stupid. That shouldn't be happening that way. Because it's not going to add a character. Ooh, that's weird. That's darn weird. Because, ooh. Are we changing or adding, basically? That's what we're getting at. And the fact is, if we only have one player, and we're changing the first slot, so let's say, then that's just going to end up a bug. But we have 2 players, or 3 players, we'll say, and we're changing the second slot, it's going to do the same thing. It should be equal. No, it shouldn't be. Essentially, we're checking if the character count, essentially, if the character count has this number, if the characters dot has capacity clear contains if it has a index of I'm just trying to see, do you have an index of 3 or do you have an index of 4? Do you literally have an index of my number? So if the characters dot count is greater than or equal to the spot dot change. This is the weirdest. I don't know how to approach this. That's why I should do things behind the scenes. Just think about it. Character. Okay, we have a character. We have a count. The problem is I hate the index system sometimes because it just mucks up with my logical way of thinking in a way. It just is a weird way of thinking it. It makes sense to a certain degree, but it's kind of difficult when you're playing phone numbers because it's not always consistent. So if the count is over 0, we don't need to worry about that. We just need to basically see if you have an index of this. But we can't do an index of because that would turn an error. Because they'll go, oh, you don't have an index of this. I'm going, that's our point. We want to catch that error and go, yeah. But I don't want to do a catch because it's a bit weird. It's just too complex for YouTube channel series. Like this. Well, it isn't, but and the character dot count. So if we have 2 people, 0 and 1, and we're looking at character slot 0, the character count in that case, if it's greater than or equal to our character list, that's fine. Or is it meant to be greater than? So spot change is 1, and we have 3 characters. That's going to work. If our spot change is 2, so changing the second spot, which means there's 3 characters, then that means that it will be 3, which is greater than 2. 0 would be 1. There should be no need for greater. Should always be greater. Yeah, it has to be greater because it can't be equal. This is, you're seeing maybe some of the complexities of the system. Hopefully it seems kind of cool. Ready? And this should be the last thing. Host. Select champion. No skin needed. Join. Select champion. It worked. Oh man. Oh man, that's just an absolute mess. But we did it. So excited. Oh, there's a slight error. The yellow one. It's all working. This is just so. No. No, I always do that. So here we go. And then make sure all these are preserve aspect. There we go. Done. That's it. We're basically done. I know people going, oh, you didn't actually spawn zone. Yeah, but you saw that it only had an error because it didn't have an object. Pretty simple, because we actually have a scene right now. But if we were to move this over to our terrain scene, very, very easily. That's annoying that we have to actually move it over, but terrain is just quite easy to move. Yeah, since it's all contained. Guys, thank you guys for watching. So it's a bit longer episode. I'm really sorry to see it went so overboard, but hopefully we can start up and do some stuff that's a bit more interesting maybe. Anyway, see you guys next time.